Well, June has almost come and gone, and many families are wondering how to enjoy the rest of their summer safely. Dolores Price with NetHealth joins us this morning to help us understand what is still a go and what still might be off the table for now. Thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, no, thank you for having us. It's an honor to be here talking and communicating with our community. A lot of the questions that we're getting is, can I go swimming during, in the summer? Because we all want to go swimming. And so the answer to those questions is yes, you can go swimming according to the Texas CDC, the Center for Disease Control. There's no evidence of COVID-19 being transferred from water. So you can go swimming at a hot tub, you can go swimming at spas, or relax yourself in a spa, or you can go swimming at swimming pools. You do have to be careful, though. We still have to be a little cautious with the virus because it is spread from person to person. So we want to make sure that we are keeping a distance, avoid large groups of people at one time, but we can go swimming. Some of the other stuff that we're advising our community is, if you do go to a public swimming pool, there's a lot of uncertainty, right? A lot of people are concerned, and sometimes they're afraid of what's going on, what's happening out there. So if you do decide to go out, avoid, like I mentioned, avoid large groups of people, and make sure that you are not sick. Very important. Make sure that you have not tested for COVID-19. Make sure that you don't have any symptoms of COVID-19, like you don't have fever, you don't have diarrhea, you don't have any of those symptoms that could be related to COVID-19 or also other diseases. So make sure that if you are sick, do not go out to a swimming pool that involves other people to be there. Even if you have a swimming pool at your house, probably don't want to go swimming on that time if you are not feeling well. If you do have a test saying that you have positive COVID-19, stay home and wait at least 14 days or until you are healthy to get back in the community. Rules and recommendations for swimming pools. In the state of Texas right now, Governor Abbott executive order allows for indoor and outdoor pools to be open at a reduced capacity of 50%, as long as the owners of the private or public pools have are able to follow the protocols, cleaning and disinfecting, making sure the people are staying away 6 feet from each other. And this one, I still don't know how how some of the individuals are going to be able to do wearing a face mask, but wearing a face mask while you're swimming might be a little bit difficult. So if you see a large group in the swimming pool, avoid it, and maybe just wait for a little bit later when there's a lot less individuals. If you're going to a public pool, remember they do get inspected in Smith County and other jurisdictions. They do get inspected. So if at any time there's any questions, any concerns, they can always contact our office at 903-535-0037 or visit our website, which is mynnethealth.org. I know 4th of July is just around the corner. I mean, I'm pretty excited about 3-day weekend. And so what we want to do around this time, we want to go swimming at a pool, or we want to go swimming at a lake or river. But make sure that if you have children, to keep an eye on your kids, make sure that they know how to swim, that you know how to swim. And I was reading an article from the Texas Department of Family and Protective Services. This year alone, we had 32 child drownings in the state of Texas. So please, 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 if you have kids, make sure that you keep an eye on those kiddos and that they know how to swim.
Dolores, thank you. Such great information. Thank you so much for helping us as we approach the holiday weekend.